Aloha everyone, my name is Kyra Santos. I am an independent consultant with Paparazzi Accessories, rocking the Shine with Aloha team here in Hawaii. I am a Crown Club 5 member, Life of the Party Gold, and also a premier director with Paparazzi Accessories. I'm excited to start this new paparazzi year, July 1st, with a big bang. Hello Z 2021, we welcome you. And I wanted to wear the irresistible Z Collection 2020 necklace because today they launched the 2021 Z Collection necklaces. As you can see, 10 of them up there. And the new ones that just came out on the website today, October 26, 2021. So if you have not had a chance to shop the Z Collection necklaces yet, be sure to do that on your Paparazzi website. All you have to do is click on shop, and then click on the Z Collection 2021 category. What that's going to do is take you over to the new necklaces that are being featured at this time. Some have already sold out already, I can tell you that for sure. Goodbye, Z 2020 collection necklaces. Yes, the irresistible. Now you can definitely shop my website at shinewithaloha.com. I have all the Z necklaces as you can see here and a few more that I just ordered today. If you're also interested in joining the Shine with Aloha team and partnering with me to either shop at the discount price, this would be $16.25. The retail value that us as consultants sell it as, $25. So not only would you save a lot of money, you also have fun accessorizing at an affordable price. So if you're also interested in owning your own business, maybe you just need to pay down some bills. Maybe you're just trying to pay for childcare, maybe your rent or electricity. Whatever the reason is, Paparazzi can help you out with it. So if you have any questions, you can contact me at shinewithaloha@gmail.com. I'd love to answer any questions that you have regarding the business. Just join in on the fun and let's party together. Be blessed and don't forget to let God's light and love shine through you. Aloha.